Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to utilize Trello's board permission levels. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to navigate to the main board page. You'll see a sidebar on the right. Expand it to access the menu and click on More. Here, you'll find the Settings option. The reason we do this is to access the page where you can manage the board permission levels. Now that we've done that, let's click on Settings and choose Permissions. Within this section, you'll find three options: private, team, and public. Private boards can only be viewed by invited members. Team boards are accessible to all team members, and public boards are visible to anyone on the web. This step is important as it ensures you're setting the right visibility for your board depending on who you want to access it. Next up, we're going to set the permission level. Let me explain why this matters. If you select private, you can further specify who can edit the board or cards, who can comment, and who can invite others. The team and public options have similar settings, but with varying degrees of access. This helps us because it allows us to control the level of interaction others can have with our boards and cards. Finally, after you've chosen your desired permission level and settings, click Save. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These choices determine who can see and interact with your board, keeping your workflow streamlined and organized. So that's how you use Trello's board permission levels. Remember, these settings are key to managing your Trello boards efficiently and effectively. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy organizing.